my project. I met this stuff today, so we're supposed to be wiring two motors sequentially using a time switch. So this is how it's supposed to work.
A pneumatic time switch.
So this is the main MCB. Excuse me. Then we get to this point. This is an ethnic cage circuit breaker, and then this other mini breaker.
Tell them about the time.
Then this is the time switch. It's supposed to be switching the other motor after 3 seconds. So I'm running this thing now. Start button. First motor is running, and then we just wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let's wait a little longer. Just 1 second. It's supposed to be working like this. This is how it works. A growth may work. This is overkill. Right, and stop it. Have a stop button. Then we stop. Then let's just stop everything. Make sure it's safe.